Hey guys, so today on Meka Mix, we're going to be changing out the flasher relay on a 2004 Ford Expedition. Now this is my old work truck, and part of the problem I was running into, I would get ready to turn on this signal and lo and behold, the blinker wasn't blinking. Now the light would actually come on, but it wouldn't actually flash to let people know that I'm getting ready to turn. Now there are a number of problems that could be wrong with it, but the best thing to replace right now would actually be the flasher relay because it's the cheapest part. Now you can take it to a mechanic and have them charge you an arm and a leg, or you can climb under there and change it out yourself. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So grab your tool belt, we're headed to the garage. Alright guys, so let me show you what I'm talking about. I go in and I turn on the blinker and it doesn't actually flash consistently. Now you'll see when I turn on the other side, it actually does the same thing. So this is when I decided to replace the flasher relay. All right, so we're out here and I'm getting ready to make the repairs on the 2004 Ford Expedition flasher relay. So the things that you're going to need for today's project, you are going to need the actual relay, flasher relay. You will also need a flashlight because it can get kind of dark down there. And then you'll need a socket wrench because it makes things a little easier. This is the 932 or 932nd size socket. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do, you're going to want to get down and go ahead and take out the two screws that are here in the sub panel. So you have a screw here and you'll also have a screw here. All right, so now all you need to do is just pop out the sub panel like this. So you'll be able to remove the whole thing. Now, the part that we need to get to is actually right above the brake. You can actually see there's this visible hole right through here. You won't be able to reach the relay through there, but you can actually see it. I'm just gonna reach my hand in there and I'm gonna take it out. Alright, so this right here is the cover that goes over the relay, and the way that you'll remove it is just by pressing down on both of the pressure points on both sides of it, just like so. Alright guys, now this right here, see the little blue box right here in the video? That is the actual flasher relay. So I'm just going to remove this. Alright, so this is the relay. It is really hard to get out, so don't be surprised if you have to work with it for a couple of minutes, just wiggling it back and forth, left to right, front to back. Here is our brand new relay. Alright, now the relay has plugs and it can only fit in one way. So you're just going to press it in, and there, it's connected. And so I just needed to put back on the relay cap or the cover, and so that just snaps right back in. Okay, so now we've tested it out, we're gonna go ahead and put our sub panel back in place. You're gonna wanna snap it back into place before placing the screws in. So I'm just lining everything up. So now we've got everything in place. So all we have to do is put our screws back in. So I'm just getting this started with my hand. All right, guys, so we've got everything installed. I've checked them out and everything seems to work great. Few things to note. You'll want to make sure that you press in on the emergency brake just because it helps give you space when you're removing this particular screw right here. Another thing to note, it is going to take a little bit of patience and muscle to get that original relay out, so you'll be wiggling back and forth. All in all, the whole project took about 10 to 15 minutes, so this was not anything that you'd have to take to your mechanic. You can actually do this yourself. So thank you for coming and joining me here on Meka Makes. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and I hope to see you next time.